For this case, Reliance has watched overseas competitor take away market share with products that are priced lower. At the same time, have developed a reputation for a better reliability. The board of directors want to see an effort to improve the company competitive posture. Among the senior management, two factions have developed. One is praising the CEO to implement total quality management, and another one, manufacturing vice president and director of quality assurance are making the case for ISO 9000. In this video, we will explain the argument for implementing TQM, ISO 9000, and third approach that could satisfy both factions. ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization. The ISO 9000 definition is a description of a quality management system. The objective of the ISO 9000 family of standards is to provide organizations with the guidance and tool needed to ensure that their product and services meet external requirements and drive consistent quality improvement. ISO 9000 is also defined as a set of international standards on quality management and quality assurance, designed to assist companies in successfully documenting the quality system aspect required to maintain an efficient quality system. They are not specific to any one industry and can be applied to the organization of any size. ISO 9000 can assist a company in satisfying its consumer, meeting regulatory standards, and achieving continuous improvement. Next, for TQM. TQM stands for Total Quality Management. TQM is the continual process of detecting and reducing or eliminating error in manufacturing, streamlining supply chain management, improving the customer experience, and ensuring that employees are up to speed with training. Total quality management aims to hold all stakeholders engaged in the manufacturing process responsible for the overall quality. TQM is a structured approach to overall organizational management. The process goal is to increase the quality of an organization output, which include goods and services through continual improvement of internal practices.
So I will be answering question 1, which is assuming you are siding with the VP of Operations, list all the arguments of implementing total quality management. Total quality management consists of continuous improvement activities that involving everyone in the organizations from managers until workers. So it is an approach to doing business that attempts to maximize the competitiveness of an organization through the continual improvement of the quality of its products, services, people, processes, and environment. This gets to improve the performance of Reliance control system as a large manufacturer control system, as it directed towards satisfying all of these aspects. In effort to see a cooperative effort to enhance the company competitive posture, the Reliance control system can apply the Deming cycle that was introduced in the total quality management, which are plan, do, act, check, and analyze. So the first one, which is planning, that include consumer research and use it in the planning of the product. Next, do, which is producing the product, and then we're going to check whether the product is produced according to the plan, and then we're going to act, and lastly is analyzing, which is we're going to ensure that the product is received in the marketplace in terms of quality, cost, and other criteria. There are many advantages of implementing total quality management at the Reliance control system, and these are the two of them. So the first one is the company will get to increase the global competition, where better competition will be an ongoing part of the life of the Reliance control system. Secondly, the Reliance control system will get to increase the customer expectation, where customers want an excellent products or services from the company that are reliable and accurate.
ISO 9000, or known as the International Organization for Standardization, is a total quality management model in awarding the quality effort of the organizations. Firstly, it focuses on the needs of the customer. This is because ISO can meet their needs and demand by providing a comprehensive international standards and a framework for a systematic approach. The customer will be more interested in building a relationship with the company based on the trust and loyalty they have to the company. Next, the customer can benefit from ISO 9000 by receiving higher quality services. This is because it maintains the standards and framework up to date in order to ensure the customer satisfaction. As the heads of the manufacturer and quality assurance, it is critical to meet the customer's expectations and requirements while also increase the reliance control systems quality and services in order to improve the company's competitive position with the international companies. Moreover, it focuses on the involvement of people. It means that the staff's ability are utilized and valued by the company. The workers will feel more appreciated and thus they will strive to make more higher quality work. It also allows for continual improvement, learning, and discussions of any problem that may arise in the company.
According to the case study, the issue arises when new competitors enter their field or industry, causing their organization's market reputation to suffer. The company wishes to overcome the problem by increasing its competitiveness and gaining market security. TQM allows them more flexibility in reaching their goal of being more competitive, but they must also apply the ISO 9000 to obtain the accreditation. TQM is known for continuous improvement. Therefore, if they maintain that mindset while implementing these improvements, TQM can be built around ISO 9000 requirements while maintaining TQM flexibility. TQM is a management system for a customer-focused firm that involves all employees in continuous improvement. As a result, in this context, in addition to total quality management and ISO 9000, another strategy that may be used by this business to increase its competitiveness is through Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Awards. The Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Awards (MBNQA) were created to improve quality awareness on effective quality programs. MBNQA's goal is to help enhance quality in US companies and to recognize and inspire others by recognizing the achievement of exceptional organizations. The United States Congress established the MBNQA in 1978, and it is the nation's highest presidential acknowledgement for outstanding achievement. To obtain the award, you must adhere to an essential excellence model which is separated into categories such as leadership and strategic planning. According to the case study, Reliance Control System can consider and adopt specific criteria in their organization to increase their competitiveness and quality while also overcoming their organization challenges. Leadership, strategy, and operation are the criteria that the organization can implement and enhance. Leadership standards are used to evaluate senior management's dedication to continuous development. Leaders must create and sustain a customer-focused culture with visible behaviors and values. To perform well in this category, the company must have a sound strategy creation and implementation process in place. Strategic thinking contributes to organizational greatness. This section emphasizes customer-focused excellence, operational performance improvement, and innovation. Reliance Control System should focus on the client category as the final factor for dealing with the issues of rivals. The customers category of the Baldrige Award is concerned with the company's engagement with its customers. It addresses how well the organization listens to consumer concerns and feedback. This category will be a success if customer involvement improves as a result of it. Customer satisfactions are all key criteria that demonstrate a company's commitment to its customers.
As for a conclusion, this case study shows the competitive strategy of the organization by their approach in planning and the way they choose to execute their plans. The arguments give the perspective of analyzing TQM and ISO 9000 in order for the strategies of increasing productivity and other criteria such as operations, workforce, and focusing on tasks that has a higher priority. Overall, both TQM and ISO 9000 has their own benefits to lead a better quality organization. Even though they are different in concept, both are still in reaching the same goals for the quality sector. Therefore, according to our research, TQM has a lot more advantages that can be used in today's intense world of business organization compared to ISO 9000. Our final decision is to practice total quality management in the organization because it helps in increasing the employees' motivation and efficiency in doing their tasks so that the organization could achieve good performance and accomplish their goals. That brings us to the end of the presentation. Thank you for taking the time for your interest and attention. Assalamualaikum.